Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp microphone not working Android. Firstly guys, before I started with this explanational video, I need to mention that there is no difference between Android and iPhone. Right now I'm working on Android, but as I said, there is no difference. It is in the simple side, which is the same thing. Firstly, what you need to do, you need to get and turn off your phone, go to reboot your phone or just restart it. And then if you get up and again gets that problem, you need to get off from your WhatsApp, going into your settings. Then you need to go for applications, manage applications, the second selection, and on the search box here you need to type for the application. In this case it's WhatsApp. Just type WhatsApp, click on it, and then go for app permissions. And here you need to make sure that on the microphone sign when you type on it, it's not don't allow. If it's don't allow, that means this could be a silent time for this problem. But if it's like this, just go for allow only while using the application. Get off, and I hope guys this will help you, and see you soon. And also don't forget to hit that like and share the video.